Jai Hind to all. I hope you have seen all videos. I also hope that you have finished all worksheets. Now let's study part 2. Standard 2nd, subject EVS, part 2, date 4 May 2020, chapter number 3, houses that we live in. Topic is different types of houses. Okay, in part 1 we learned different types of houses like hut, tiled roof house, bungalow and apartment. You can see here the pictures of houses that we learned in part 1. This is the picture of a hut. This is the picture of tiled roof house. This is an apartment and this is the picture about bungalows. In part 1, we also learned hardwords like RWF roof, FLWR floor, THIEVVS thieves, HUT hut, CHEAP chip, THATCH thatch, BRICKS bricks, TILE tile, SLOPING sloping, RWF roof, sloping roof, APARTMENT apartment, SEVERL several, CONCRET concrete, TERRACE terrace, SHELTR shelter, CANVS canvas, IGLW igloo, CARAVN caravan, HOUSC BOAT houseboat, BUNGA LOW bungalow, PEGS page, NARROW narrow. We learnt this all her words in part 1. Now let's look at a glance of these houses. First one is the hut. Okay, the hut is a small house that we know. It has only 1 or 2 rooms. It is cheap and also easy to build. The roof of a thatch is made of the roof of a hut is made of thatch. A thatch is made of leaves, stems, grass and sticks. The walls are made of bricks and mud. These houses are not very strong. So such houses are called kacha house. The hut is called kacha house. Second one, houses with tiled roofs. Some places get heavy rainfall for many months in a year. Some get heavy snowfall in such places. Houses are built with sloping roofs. Most houses in villages have tiled roofs. In village we can find the tiled roofs house. Third one, apartment and bungalows. Apartment and bungalows are usually seen in cities and towns. These kind of houses are strong and permanent. They are called pakka houses. Apartment blocks are big buildings with several flats in each block. A bungalow is usually a single-storied house with a garden. Apartment and bungalows made of bricks, cement, sand, steel and wood and glass. Okay, now let's learn in detail about remaining houses. Okay, now this is the picture of tent. Second picture is about igloo. Third picture is about caravan. Fourth picture is about boat house. And fifth picture is about tree house. Now first one is tent. This is the picture of tent. Tents are temporary shelters for those who move from place to place. They are made of canvas. Canvas means a type of thick cloth or thick plastic sheets. The sheets are tied with ropes to paste in the ground. Now let's quick check. The tent is made of blank. What is the answer? Yes, the tent is made of canvas. Now let's learn about igloos. People living in very cold places live in houses built of ice. Such houses are called igloos. You can see in this picture. These houses are found near the North Pole. Where do we see these types of houses? We can see in the North Pole. The roofs of these houses are rounded. You can see it is a rounded house or dome shaped. It looks like a dome shaped. The entrance is low and narrow. This is the enter of this house. It is low and narrow. Even though an igloo is made of ice, it is made of ice and warm inside. If we go in the house, we can feel warm. Now let's quick check. Igloos are found near the blank. Where do we found the igloo? Okay, the igloos are found near the North Pole. Second question. What is the igloo made of? Yes, the answer is the igloo is made of ice. The igloo is made of ice. Now let's learn about caravans. This is a picture of caravans. Caravans are houses on wheel. You can see the wheel here. Caravans are houses on wheels. They are big vehicles with houses built on them. You can see in this picture the houses is built on the way of wheels. Caravans can move from one place to another and can be parked anywhere. We can park these houses anywhere because it is movable. Now let's quick check. First one is blank can move one place to another place. What is the answer? Yes, caravans. Caravans can move one place to another place. What do caravan mean? Caravan means houses on wheels. Now let's learn about the houseboats. Some people live in houseboat. Houseboat float on water. You can see here the water. The houseboat floats on water. They have living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, and bathrooms like any normal house on land. People living in different places live in different types of houses. Our homes are the places where we we feel relaxed and enjoy the company of our family and friends. We must keep them neat and clean. Now let's quick check. Blank float on water. What is float on water? The answer is houseboats. Houseboats float on water. Now, did you know people living in rainforest build their homes on the top of a very tall trees to escape from wild animals? You can see in this picture the house is built on tree. Why? To escape from wild animals. Such homes are called tree houses. Now let's quick check. People living in rainforest build their homes on top of a very tall trees. Such homes are called blank. What is the answer? Yes, tree houses. People living in rainforest build their homes on top of a very tall trees. Such homes are called tree houses. Now, what did you learn from chapter number 3? Okay, we learned the different type of houses like huts, houses with tiled roofs, apartments, bungalows, tents, igloos, caravans and houseboats. Okay, kacha houses are made of mud, straw, bamboo or grass. Pakka houses are made of brick, concrete and cement. These are permanent houses. So, in chapter 3, we learned about different houses that we live in. Thank you.